Hey guys, welcome back to HubClick. In this video, I'll be showing you how to download and install Canon PIXMA E470 printer driver in Windows PC. But first, check our special offer in the description. So let's get started. So let's just say you have a Windows 10 PC or a laptop or any kind of Windows PC and you want to download and install the driver for the PIXMA E470. Well, installing it is quite easy. Now, the first thing that you want to do here is you want to download the official installer of the driver directly from the website. Now, to get that, you want to open up any browser here. Just type in PIXMA E470 driver, and you want to access one that says Windows. Now, also just make sure that what you're accessing is the actual support page for Canon. So again, check for if the link is for Canon. So if you do see that Canon, Canon, or in.canon, anything like that or similar to that, and it points to support, well, that's pretty much the web page that you're looking for. Let's go and just select this one. Now in here, if you scroll down a bit here, you notice that the operating system that is supported for this driver includes like Windows 10, 11, and even like x64, 32. So if you're not aware, there are different operating systems like a 32-bit or a 64-bit. So it doesn't matter here. It uses the same installation package. But yeah, so you can go and just click on download here and just wait for the download to complete. But in my case, since I already have my download, or I've already downloaded the file, this is what it's going to look like. Let's go and just start using it. Now again, go and just click on download and position it in anywhere in your PC. But yeah, so in here, you want to go and double click on this one, and it will start the extraction process. It's also going to start the setup page for your printer. Now, from here, what you can do is you can go and click on the easy setup here, which basically automatically detects your printer here. If you want to use this, you'll go and click on next. Now, by the way, just make sure that your printer is actually connected into your PC so that it can actually detect your PC. As you can see here now, it's going to say when the printer is turned off, you can automatically turn it on by starting the printing. So this is what the driver actually does for you. So again, it might take a while. It's going to download everything for you, but once it's done, you go and click on yes here. Click on agree. Oh, by the way, you can go and read this if you want. And from here, it's going to start the process. So processing, please wait momentarily. It's going to check your printer status here and basically start the installation. So usually, if they actually detected your printer either via Wi-Fi connection or via USB connection, here depends on how you have it set up. Go and choose the appropriate one. So if you have this connected via USB, you go and select USB. If it's connected to your Wi-Fi, it's in the same network. Go and choose Wi-Fi connection. Now you can go and click on next, follow the on-screen steps, and you're pretty much good to go here. Now, if you want to do this, if you want to have this viewed online at the very start, you can go and choose online manual here, and basically you'll see a browser and giving you the details on how to connect this online. So just in case if you want to print something over network, that's how you do it. But usually you just need to follow the on-screen steps on the setup page here, and you should be good. And that's about it. So if you found this video helpful, hit the like and subscribe button and watch our next video.